Hello, this is Jason from DigiNo.org and DaDaABC, and today's video I wanted to talk about my background and how I made it, and how I got it printed, all of those things. Um, yeah, I made this myself, so I wanted to show you a way that you could do it too if you want to make your own like personalized one. So what I'll do is I'll record my screen as I go through the process that I took, tell you exactly how to do it, exactly how to do it yourself. Because I think DaDaABC have clamped down on backgrounds now. You don't want to be having like be teaching and there'd be like a sofa or someone hoovering in the background or whatever. You want to have like a nice little studio. You've got to think of it as your studio. I mean, I've loved it since I've switched it. It feels really like cool. It's like I'm jumping into another world. Um, yeah, I've had like the paradise because I have that on DigiNo.org, like the theme of like paradise and stuff. Because I just like looking at nice pictures. That's me. That's me all over. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll switch to my screen, and I'll show you what I do, how to make the background. Okay, cool. See you there. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come to canva.com, and on Canva we want to create a design. So you go up here to use custom dimensions. Okay, now you want to change this to millimeters because before I did this I checked, because the sizing is very important. I checked what size I wanted to print the poster in on something called Instant Prints, which is what I use because I'm in the UK, and I wanted to print it in A0 size. Okay, so A0 size was 1189 millimeters width by 841 millimeters height. And I wasn't quite sure if this would be all right, but it was. I got the poster, I put it up, and it's fine for me. Depends on your teaching space. If you're quite far away from your laptop, or well, you shouldn't be really, because you got to press it and stuff. So no, this should be fine. This should be fine. But don't send me hate mail if it's not big enough or it's too small or whatever. Okay, cool. Design, and it will load. Okay, I did a video on Canva before about how to make objects for ManyCam. So check that out if you want a bit of a briefing on it. But I'll show you what I did to make mine. Okay, so up here in the search box, I wanted a nice little background, and I wanted paradise. This is when I was on the free trial of Pro when I made this on Canva. So um, yeah, you might not have everything available. Some things are free, some things are not. I always go for the free stuff. Um, yeah. Okay, well, let's just do anything. Let's grab this one. This one's quite nice. Cool, and it will have that Canva there because this is a Pro, so you'll need to sign up for Pro. I did the free trial for like a month, I think, and so you can get this for free. For the sake of making your background, do the free trial, I would, and then you'll get this removed, this watermark removed. Okay, cool. So we've got that, and I think DaDaABC said include the DaDaABC logo. I didn't include it because I wear the T-shirt with the DaDaABC logo on it. So yeah, I didn't include it because I thought it would be overkill. So get the DaDaABC logo from DaDa class. There's an option to download it. Yeah, if you can't find it, let me know, and I'll find it for you. Or I'll just put a link to it somewhere. Okay, so if you can't find it, let me know. And so yeah, uploads. There's the DaDaABC logo. Stretch it out. Yeah, put it somewhere. Let's put it up here. Okay, and what? Oh, I'll put it down here. Put it down here, and I I had this little illustration here. So you can just upload stuff, so you upload your own images there. So I had this little illustration of me that I put on there. And instead I put on a ukulele. So at the top here you can put photos, illustrations. I had a ukulele, I put that on there. Increased the size like that. And what else is on there? I wanted a little mascot. So I chose a toucan because I thought, DigiNo.org is all about traveling and things like that, traveling as a teacher and tropical paradise. So I put a toucan on there because I thought that was a good symbol. And there you go. It's not quite the same as my one. I'll show you my one. But that, oh yeah, and then I put my name on it. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, elements, shapes, and did a circle. Put the circle on there. Oh, go up here if you want to change the color. Not the colors. Oh, let's get a white. Wait, if I go over here and then the spectrum, then change it to white. I put a little circle around it, so I put like that. Well, let's keep it that color. And and then you go on text, add a heading, teacher, Dave, or Jan, whatever your name is, Sue. Okay, and then teacher Sue. You put that there. And there you go. But obviously, you don't want to put this right in the middle because that's where you will be. So you want to make sure you leave a clean space for where you're going to be, so where your little head is there. I know it's very tempting to fill it with all kinds of stuff, but you want to make sure it doesn't look too cluttered, it looks cool, and you've got enough space for you to sit there. Okay, as you see in my videos, you can do it as a reference point. Okay, so that was Canva, and then all you do is you go download and you select PDF for print. Okay, and then you'll download this, and then you have that ready to send. Okay, so once we've got our design downloaded from Canva, you want to go to Vistaprint.com. I used one called Instant Prints for the UK, but Vistaprint does both UK and US, so let's go for that. So what we want to do now is go to signs and posters. Okay, posters. Yeah, don't worry, I'll leave the link for Vistaprint down below for you, so you don't have to search the web. So you want horizontal, and they actually do a bit bigger than A0, 36 inches by 48, so that's good. Yeah. One thing you want to check before is check the info on your PDF format. So just right click it, get info, and yeah, you want like a dimension. Well, all I can say is what my dimensions were. My dimensions was this. You want it to be quite a large dimension so that the print quality comes out all right. If it's really low, some of it's gone wrong. You don't want that. Cool. So 3370 by 2383. Should be something like that. Cool. Okay, you want to choose whether it's matte or premium glossy. Mine is matte. You can have it premium glossy if you want, or you can have it matte. Let's go for matte. That's mine. Start designing. There you go. Over here. All this information and stuff. Upload your design. Oh no, you don't want that one. Let's go back. Okay, let's go and upload your design. Cool. So you click on it, go on add image. So upload your design from your computer. Look, it's uploading now. I uploaded the PDF. There you go. My design's uploaded. Go on next. Yeah, you want to review. Text size is legible. Nothing's overlapping or too close. You see here on this one, it's cut it off in the safety line off the edges. So you want to check that with yours and edit it. Cool. I've reviewed it. Next. And then you'll just want to do, I think it'll just do all the payment stuff. Set up an account if you want, or continue as guest, whatever. And yeah, it'll give you all these options to upgrade your order. You don't have to worry about that. Oh, look, it's giving you. Oh, but we've already got next. It's giving you previews of what it would look like. Yeah, and you just have to go next, 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 and then you pay for it, and then it's job done. Okay, so that is basically how you do it. So there we go. That should be all done for you. You've made the design, you've ordered it through Vistaprint, and it should come like this. You know, hopefully it turns out all right for you. I've tried to give you all the same information as what I did, and it turned out fine. Obviously, I can't be responsible if it doesn't turn out fine. I've just given you the information that I used, and it turned out all right. And the benefit of it is when it comes in this big tube, and this is now a teaching prop that I regularly use. Like, hello. So that's a little bonus for you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll leave the link for Canva down below. I'll leave the link for Vistaprint down below, and yeah, and if you want to become a DaDaABC teacher, that's down below as well. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to see your designs popping up all over the place. So do let me know. And this is Jason from DigiNo.org and DaDaABC. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.